Hi guys, look at the baby chick. The mama here gone. I don't know where he is, but when I look at this one to the pig house, he was crying. Then now I took it because nobody's there. So, wow, he is so cute, really. He's the one who hatched. And there's another one here. I think he's ahead of her because look, very cute. I wanna put this one there to the box because there is one. Yesterday he was crying and then she's alone. Then I transferred that one. Well, I thought she's the only one, but when I found, when I checked a while ago, there is one. There is guy. There's the other one there. Oh wow! You should see that. Very cute. The other one is so alive now. It's okay. Yesterday he's so weak. Finally. Come on. Get out. Okay. Oh wow, very cute. Come on, out. Come on, very good. It's so cute really, and there are 3 here now. Oh wow, come on, go. Come on. He don't have I don't know where is the mama. The mama gone there in the cage. Come on, baby. She's out now. Okay. There. Wow, it's so wet really, guys. Okay. Stay there with your colleagues. Hi guys, that's really very cute chick. So interesting really. When I look at the nest full of very tiny bugs. Super duper tiny. Very tiny really. Then I understand might be the ma. He ran away because so many really bugs. I don't know what do you call that. Very tiny really. It's like powder, and then they crawl very fast. And when I hear the chick crying, I just I grab it. I transfer her to the box. So I need to keep an eye on them because they are They are so tiny and they need anyway, I put that one in the box so they won't fail siya. So, bye for now guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and please share, like, comment. Bye!